Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved drafts on TikTok. So first of all, go ahead and open up the TikTok app and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and you're gonna be able to see labels, drafts. If you have any saved drafts, tap on it to view your saved videos, and then from the draft section you can select to draft or to edit. You could select a draft to edit it or publish it. That's it. Let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.